There comes a moment in life when everything feels heavy. Your thoughts, your memories, your emotions all begin to pile up. You start to wonder if peace is still possible. Maybe you've been carrying guilt, regret, or sadness from long ago. Maybe you've lost direction or simply feel tired of trying, tired of pretending that you're okay. Take a deep breath. You're here. And that means you're already beginning again. Welcome to Rise and Restore. This is your moment to pause, breathe, and reset your mind. Before you can start fresh, you must face what you feel. You can't heal what you keep hiding. So stop running from your emotions. Close your eyes for a moment. Listen to your breath. Feel your chest rise and fall. This is life, your life, still moving, still breathing, still capable of change. We all carry invisible weight, heartbreak, disappointment, fear. And sometimes that weight becomes so familiar, we forget what it's like to feel light again. But the mind is not a cage, it's a garden. And even the most overgrown garden can bloom again when cared for with love. Letting go doesn't mean forgetting. It means releasing the grip the past has on your peace. Forgive yourself for what you didn't know before. Forgive others, not because they deserve it, but because you deserve freedom. Every time you release an old thought that no longer serves you, you make space for peace to grow. You can't fill a cup that's already full of noise. Empty it. Breathe. Start again. In nature, every season has a purpose. Winter is not a mistake, it's a pause, a time for the earth to rest and prepare for spring. Your life is the same. If things feel slow or uncertain right now, you might be in your winter, and that's okay. Stillness is not failure, it's healing. It's where clarity begins to return. The world tells you to keep going, to stay busy, to never stop. But true restoration begins in the pause, in silence, in peace. When was the last time you checked in with yourself? Not your goals, not your tasks, just you. You are not your mistakes. You are not your anxiety. You are not the story others tell about you. You are growth. You are strength. You are becoming. Speak kindly to yourself. Say, I'm learning, I'm healing, I'm doing my best, because your best is enough. Resetting your mind happens through small daily choices. Breathe with intention. When you feel overwhelmed, take 3 deep breaths. Inhale peace, exhale tension. Write it down. Journaling releases the chaos from your mind onto paper. Move your body. Walk, stretch, dance. Movement frees what your mind holds on to. Spend time in nature. Touch the earth. Feel the wind. Watch the sky change. Nature teaches that endings are beginnings in disguise. Choose quiet. Turn off the noise. Sit with yourself. Peace grows in silence. Starting fresh isn't about forgetting. It's about becoming a softer, stronger version of yourself. You've already survived so much. Every scar, every tear, every sleepless night, proof that you kept going. So instead of asking, why did this happen to me? Ask, what did it teach me? Healing begins there. You're not broken. You're rediscovering your light. You are capable. You are enough. Imagine standing before a sunrise. The air is fresh. The light is new. Everything feels possible. Each day can begin this way. Not as a repeat of the past, but as a quiet invitation to start again. You don't need to have everything figured out. You just need one gentle step forward. Maybe that step is rest. Maybe it's forgiveness. Maybe it's choosing hope. Whatever it is, let it be kind. Healing isn't a race. It's a return to yourself. You can't control everything that happens, but you can choose how you respond. You can begin again as many times as you need. Every sunrise reminds you, you are allowed to grow. You are allowed to let go. You are allowed to find peace again. Breathe in hope, breathe out fear. You are rising. You are restoring, and you are exactly where you need to be. If this message brought you peace, subscribe to Rise and Restore. Heal, grow, thrive, one calm day at a time. Comment if you have any question, and share with someone you know need this as motivation.